holding up his arm. He is pumping his fist, but clearly Secret Service wants to get him out of this situation.
Hello, hello mga kahatawan, mga kaapuhan, mga kaanakan. Okay. Ani kita karon sa usa ka balita nga dili maayong paminawon or tan-awon, pero balita man ato sang ibalita dire. Okay, magreaksyon lang ta ani nga balita. Si Trump habang nagistorya sa kuan sa iyahang rally, rahi pa kay kuan ron sa Amerika, hapit na ang eleksyon sa ilang presidential, hapit na ang presidential election, na sila mga rally. Pangita tan-aw na to ang video nga ato ang nakuha gamay diri sa kuan sa panatawag ani diri kang Trump nga rally. Ato ning nakuha gikan sa Fox News sa Amerika, din natin nakuha nga video basin na apatay isunod kang katong mga makuha nato nga ubang ginagmay lang pero kanila lain nga anggol tan-aw nato mga kahatawan.
And that comes right from the government services, comes right out of Border Patrol. Take a look at that. So that arrow is the lowest amount of illegal immigration ever in recorded history into our country. And then the worst president in the history of our country took over. And look what happened to our country. Probably 20 million people. And you know, that's a little bit old, that chart. That chart's a couple of months old. And if you want to really see something that said, take a look at what happened.
Move to spare. Hold. When you're ready. On you.
Ready.
Move.
Up.
Move. Go.
Up. Hawkeye's here.
We ready?
Okay, we are watching live at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, where former President Trump was speaking on the stage. There has been some kind of disturbance that clearly sets law enforcement and Secret Service into motion, immediately jumping around the former president in a protective mode. The crowd has been screaming. They are standing by. You can hear some voices there saying, "Are we ready to go? Are we ready to go?" We are looking at President Trump. This does not look good. I'm going to be honest with you, from what we can see right here, it looks like they are attempting to move him out, that he may have been injured. He is holding up his arm. He is pumping his fist, but clearly Secret Service wants to get him out of this situation.
And you know, that's a little bit old, that chart. That chart's a couple of months old. And if you want to really see something that said, take a look at what happened.
So mauna mga kahatawan, kung makita ninyo sa video, naanay nakaplastar nga mga sniper sad. Kabalo sila nga nay mahitabo kan kuan yun, no? Kamo nay maghuna-huna ani atong balitok-balitokon, kutaw-kutawon na to ang atong pangutok. Di para sa nang uban nga diretso-diretso lag concludes, pero natay makita nga dili maayo. Okay? So mao ni mga kuan sa hakog sa gahom, no? Og sa diri pa na sa Pilipinas, lain na ng mga istorya ang mahimo sa Pilipino, kaya ang Pilipino grabe kay dagha maayo kay mohimo og istorya. So kamo na like, comment din na sa ubos kung unsa inyong makita. Ayaw kalimot kuani na ninyo, subscribe mo sa ako ang channel kung bago pa mo nakaagi-ani, dayon like sad mo, comment kung mahimo, i-share kung mahimo pag yun. See you next time.